Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She failed the test. She studied hard. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. We were tired. We kept working. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. He will pass the exam. He studies hard. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. We can stay home. Go out. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. I will call you. I arrive. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. She smiled. She was happy. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. The boy is naughty. He is intelligent. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. They must be tired. They have worked all day. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. He plays the guitar. He sings. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. She was crying. She was sad. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I was late. I missed the bus. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. She was hungry. She ate a sandwich. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. He plays football. He plays cricket. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. We will leave. It stops raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. I called him. He did not answer. Option B is the correct answer.